So hello guys and welcome to today's vlog. Guys, so first of all, good morning to all of you guys who all are watching me right now. And right now, if you guys thinking about where I am at right now, actually I mostly prefer to start vlog. If you guys, by the way, have subscribed my YouTube channel, then you guys would know that I always mostly prefer to start vlog from outside from my house. So that is why, as usual, right now again I am here. I am starting my vlog from here outside from my house. Actually, if you guys are watching for the first time, then you might have a question, Nakul, why are you at here outside from your house? So actually I have come to tie my kettles, and by the way, finally I have done to tie up my kettles. So now, as you can see behind me, right, so that is why actually I came here, and now it's time to back home. And yes guys, while going home, if I will get any object or anything, whatever I will come across with, I am going to teach some English sentences by using the object or thing, right? So that's how I stress my blog. I stress this blog longer, right? But otherwise, you guys know I do not have anything special to show you, or I am not going to go anywhere so that I can show you, right? So that is why whatever I will come across with, I'm gonna teach a lot of English sentences by using the object, right? Okay, so such as here I have, okay, I'm going to show you through the rear. Yes, such as this is kind of a plant and it has a lots of spikes. Now as you can see, you can't even touch it, and especially that is why I always, like, these are my sandals, right? And especially I put on for this, right, to actually my sandal prevent from having any splinter in my feet, right? So that is why I always, whenever I have to come, I come with my sandals or any kind of shoes, right, or even slippers sometimes. Okay, so let me arrive home, and then I will see whatever I will teach, right, at home. Also, in the way while going home, I see there are two people who is also going to the river to tie their pets. And you know one thing, while speaking in front of someone, I get speechless because I am a shy boy, right? So that is why it's funny. Okay guys, so right now I just got back home, and right now I am going to the faucet to clean up my face a little bit. By the way, I have washed my face a bit, but again because it get a lots of dust in my feet, so that is why first I would like to wash my feet, and also I already had breakfast. So right now I just came to my faucet and it gives us water. So just after washing my face, and now it's time to dry up with the help of a towel, right? This is called a cotton, and with this cotton I dry off my face, or I am drying off my face. Okay guys, so right now I am going to Thakurganj to add my number in Aadhaar card. Yes, actually in my Aadhaar card there is another number added, so that is why I have to exchange. So right now I am going along with my bike, right? Okay, right now I will meet just after reaching Thakurganj, right? Keep on watching. Okay, so right now I just got here to my destination, and this is the Dakar, right? And my work will happen here in this room, right? Now as you can see, actually I am the first one and who have come in the morning, and the door is unlocked, by the way, and I don't know where the owner has gone. Guys, the man who is working here, actually I am not sure who is working the work that I am doing, that I want to get, but one of them, and he says 1 hour later your work will happen. So let's see how long I will have to wait here. Okay guys, it's sunny today, and that is why I am feeling warm. And right now I am going to show you the view of this place. Actually in the evening time here there is a market, right? It is a marketplace, and there are lots of room is building. So right now I just sat here by cleaning the floor, right? Actually it will take time to come, so that is why till the time he didn't come, I would like to have rest for a while, right? but I think, and I don't know who is he. Okay, there is a guy who has come. Okay, I'm going. I think he has come, and right now I'm going. Okay guys, so right now I just finished work, and yes it took 1 hour to come, right? Yes, finally I have done to add my personal number into my Aadhaar card, right? And now it's time to back home. Okay guys, so right now I just had some short break because this morning I didn't eat anything, rather tea, right? And right now I am full, and let's, by the way, this is the empty place where is no one. So right now I am here having rest a little bit because while coming the road was too much congested, so that is why. And also there are lots of dust got in my eyes. Yes, because I didn't get any helmet or any sunglasses. So that is why there are lots of dust got in my eyes. Guys, if I wanted I could show you a lots of place of this place, right? Because there are a lots of places, there are some temples, there are popular temples there. So I wanted to show you, but I thought no, there will be a vlog where I will show you entire thing of that place, right? Because it has a lots of temples that I have personally love, right? But yes, and you guys tell me in the comment if you guys need the vlog, right? Okay, so right now it's time to get back home. And also, do you guys want to see the view of this place? Actually this bridge is made new, right? Okay, so now there is the view of this place. Yeah, this is the Chenga Ghat river. Yeah, yes, it's a Chenga river, right? Such as Mananda river, as I showed you earlier, but the name of the river is called Chenga Nadi. Okay, so right now it's time to get back home, and then I will have to go to the river to give water to my pets, right? And by the way, there are some people is while going and they are watching me. Hey, what are you doing in front of the camera? Okay, so let me hit the road first, and then I will show you the view of my home. So right now I am feeling warm because I just came, and I am unbuttoning my shirt because of feeling too much warm, right? There are bunch of kids and they are trying to eat this rotten papaya. Guys, right now it's time to give water to my pets, the pets that I have tied in the morning, and as I showed you earlier, right? And actually it's 12 p.m. and this time to give water, so that is where right now I'm going. And also I took this towel because it protects me from the sun, so that is why I took it, right? There is a woman and who is getting a burden of food. Okay guys, so let me hit the road first, and then let's see if I will got anything. Then I will try to teach some English sentences in order to make this vlog longer, right? Wow, it's windy right now. Okay, I'm going to show you. And because of the windy, I am feeling so refreshing here to be outside. Okay, right now I have crossed halfway to go to the river, and let me hit the entire path. Okay guys, so right now here there are some people and who are drying their corn, right? And now I'm going to show you closely, right? And they are spreading the corn in order to dry off, right? Okay, so right now I just got here to my pets. Now as you can see, there are two pets here, and one of the pets that is little, and I have leave them, and he is freedom, right? And so that is why he is not available here, but two of them, now it's time to take them to the river to give them water, because I think they are pretty thirsty, because although it's windy today, but also it's crossing hot, right? So that is why time to give water to my pets. Am I looking good, guys? So right now, just after combing my hair, okay, so first I apply oil in my hair and then I comb, and now as you can see, and then just after combing my hair I had lunch because it's 2 p.m. and at this time I every day have lunch. So that is why I have done to have lunch, and it's time to finally have a nap. Yes, I want to have rest for a while by sleeping here. Okay guys, so right now I am here in my home. Actually today I am not going to get my pets, the pets that I have tired and I have showed you many a time, right, today. And actually my mom asked me to stay at home, in my home, to watch out because we have some pets. Now as you can see, they are gods. So that is why my mom asked me to stay at home. Actually my mom and my sister went to the river to get some corn wood, right, in order to fire them for cook food, right, and they have gone to get them, and simultaneously and they will bring my pets, right. So that is why my mom asked me, Tinakul, you stay at home and we are going in burden of wood, simultaneously we will bring your pets, right. So that is why right now I am here watching my pets. And from here, actually this is the end part of the video. So that is why guys, I think that's all for today because I do not have anything to show you, right. So that is why from here I would like to stop recording. Okay, so bye bye.